If you're in an accident and the other driver is at fault, it's natural to expect their auto insurance will cover your damages. Now, despite the fact that the law requires all vehicles to carry active and valid auto insurance, what happens when the other driver doesn't have insurance? You might think you're out of options, but that's not necessarily true. Hi, I'm Clifford Frisbee from Kelly Law Team, and today we're discussing an unfortunate but common situation. What happens if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance? It's a scary thought, but it's important to know that there are ways to protect yourself even if the other driver is uninsured. First and foremost, if you have uninsured motorist or coverage as part of your car insurance policy, you're in a much better position. Coverage is designed to protect you if you're in an accident where the other driver is at fault and doesn't have valid auto insurance. This can help cover medical bills, lost wages, and other damages that the at-fault driver's insurance would typically cover. If you don't have insurance, now is the time to check your policy and consider adding it. It's an elective coverage, not required by law, that allows you to protect yourself in case the worst happens. Sometimes the at-fault driver may have insurance, but it's not enough to cover your damages. This is where underinsured motorist or coverage kicks in. Coverage can make up the difference between the at-fault driver's insurance policy and the actual costs of your injuries and damages. Like coverage, is something you can add to your policy for peace of mind and protection. If you don't have coverage, your own car insurance may still offer some protection through collision or comprehensive coverage. This will not cover all your expenses like would, but it can help pay for vehicle repairs or medical costs depending upon your specific policy. It's possible that there may be insurance coverage available to you depending upon your place of residence and the family members that you reside with. The experienced personal injury attorneys at Kelly Law Team can review your auto insurance coverage and identify potential sources of recovery to maximize your compensation. The most important step is to gather as much information as possible from the scene. Even if the other driver doesn't have insurance, documentation like photos, witness statements, and a police report can strengthen your case. If the police report indicates that the other driver is uninsured, your attorney can help you navigate the next steps, including dealing with your own insurance company and exploring other legal options. Even though it's a difficult situation, there are options for handling an accident with an uninsured driver. The key is understanding your rights and how to make sure you're protected, whether that's through your own insurance or legal action. If you've been in an accident with an uninsured driver and want to make sure you're properly protected, reach out to us at 602-283-4122 for a free consultation. We'll help you understand your options and fight for the compensation you deserve. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful legal tips.